So the other day I had some time to kill and I thought, hey, wouldn't it be fun to try and downgrade my iPhone 3GS to a better version of iOS 4 since the easy version was too easy or something. Actually, the easy version just sucks because it's a slightly too old version to be usable. But anyway, I wanted to downgrade to a better version of iOS 4. Allocate makes that easy, right? Right? Alright, so here I have my sufficiently old Windows laptop with the sufficiently old iTunes. Let's make that really easy red snow IPSW. That's pretty simple. Then I can just restore it in that old iTunes version and move over to my MacBook to finish up. Haha, wasn't she so naive? If only it was that easy. Alright, so what went wrong other than, well, everything afterwards? First thing that went wrong was an easy fix, I thought. Well, this iPhone DFU program doesn't work, maybe it's just a macOS Monterey issue. After all, that is the latest and greatest version of macOS. Time to boot into Mojave then. Haha, no. Of course it didn't fix it. Exact same error. Maybe I need to go even further back. I mean, Mojave was fancy and new when this program came out, so maybe Yosemite would work? No, Riley. No, it will not work. I got the exact same error again. So, okay, I'll go to Legacy Jailbreak and see if other people have had that error. And lo and behold, there's a person that got that error, and the fix was just change one line in a Python file that iPhone DFU uses. That works. Well, kind of. Okay, not really, it doesn't work at all. Now the phone's just sitting in DFU mode. Not to fear, back to Legacy Jailbreak I go. And again, I find the answer. It's just use recovery fix in Red Snow. No. That didn't fix it either. Instead, it just made me frustrated enough to restore this poor phone back to stock, clean, and mostly overrated iOS 6. And that's where this story ends. Allocate a steaming pile of shit, and I shouldn't bother with it anymore. I get to work on writing the script, and we're all happy that I managed to get at least some content out of this, even if it couldn't be a tutorial. Leave a like if it was funny, or a sub if I'm that interesting. Or maybe this isn't the end. Maybe while I was modding on the sub, I stumble into one last answer that could be the answer. Restoring again, running iPhone DFU again, but this time I have my new knowledge. I have Just Boot, the tether boot option in Red Snow. I run it and... yeah, it boots. Of course it boots. Although it doesn't appear to be jailbroken, which I thought was part of Allocate. Oh well, must be fine, right? Okay, no, I actually was suspicious of it because it's literally part of Allocate that it should be jailbroken, right? So I tried rebooting the device, and can you guess what that made the phone do? Give you a big hint. It's what happened like, what, 4 or 5 times now? DFU mode. It's in DFU mode, again. All that for a drop of blood. If I wanted a tethered downgrade to iOS 4, I would have just done that from the beginning. So yeah, Allocate. Not even once. It's not worth it. And hopefully you see this video before you put yourself through the same shit that I went through. If you want untethered downgrades, just spend your time trying to find an old bootrom 3GS instead of all this. Hopefully this video was entertaining, at least if it couldn't be helpful. And hopefully you can tell all your friends that are into old iPhones to never ever ever bother with Allocate, because just don't. Thanks for watching, I guess, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.